Hey everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a random data set in Microsoft Excel with just a few clicks of your mouse. So if you've got Microsoft 365, you just want to go to the File tab, click on New, and there's all sorts of templates here available for you. I've already downloaded it, but you can do a search here for the word random, and there's going to be a random data generator. So if you click on this, there's an option to create a file based off of this. And you'll see that there's options here to select columns that you want to add and the number of rows that you want. So you can select name, date of birth, city, country, company, job, phone number, email, address, some text. So just check off whatever fields you want to add. So you can see I added date of birth. It generates some random date of births here. Country specifies different countries. Now there's no way to limit certain parameters based on certain ranges, but it still generates a random data set for us that we could use. So determine how many fields you want. You can select all of them if you want. Let's say you want 1,000 rows, which is the upper limit here. So there you can see Excel's done that for us. Now if you want to select all your data, what you can do is just select anywhere on this data sheet, hit Control, Shift, and Space, and that's going to select everything. So now what we can do is hit Control C to copy it, and let's say we go to a new tab here, and now Control Shift V to paste as values. And just like that, we've got our data set now. There's no formulas. We don't have to worry about this getting adjusted. And now we can go to work on doing any sort of analysis or testing that we did in Excel. So a really easy way to do this. Don't have to fumble around with any formulas. Just that one random data generator template in Microsoft Excel makes this process incredibly easy. So check it out if you have Microsoft 365. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.